Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you modern bathroom niches designs. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. Built-in niches is one of the best options to store shampoo, soaps and other bathroom products. They usually fit the bathroom's decor perfectly and even can be a part of wall's decor. Of course, such niches could also be used to display some art, vases, candles and some other stuff too. Besides, using niches is a space-saving storage solution. A shower niches is a built-in shelves that's recessed into the wall of the shower to provide storage space for bathroom products. It replaces the need for a caddy hanging from the shower heads, a corner shelves that's hard to clean, or bottle sitting on the floor. It allows you to keep your shower looking clean and organized and provide a more luxurious appearance. A horizontal shower niches is one of that's longer than it is higher. This is ideal if you have a larger shower and want to take advantages of the wall space. Vertical shower niches taller than it is wide. A vertical shower niches is often good choice when there is a smaller shower space. Shower niches that blend in. If you want your shower niches to have a seamless finish, consider using the exact same tile that you have on the wall that surrounds it. This way the shower niches will blend in and not draw attention away from other focal points. A shower niches that's lined with contrasting material or color draws attention to the shower tiles. To create a contrasting look, choose the opposite color. For example, if you have lighter shower walls, line your shower niches with darker materials. Alternatively, if you have a darker shower walls, use lighter materials. Shower niches with hidden lighting. Lighting in the shower is a design choice that is often overlooked. If you want to add lighting in your shower but also want to highlight your shower niches, you can install waterproof LED lighting. By installing a strip of LED lights, the shower niches become a focal point in the bathroom and add a warm, relaxing glow, helping to achieve a spa-like bathroom experience. Framed shower niches. One way to make your shower niches stand out is to frame it. In the example below, the niches has been highlighted with the black frame that complement other black detail like the shower frame and shower vent. When picking for shower niche style, use a different tile on the shower shelf than the rest of the shower wall. This will make your shower niche stand out and act as a design feature that lifts your entire bathroom. On the other side, using the same tile will make your shower shelf blend in. Mosaic or full-sized tile. Both full-sized and mosaic are appropriate for the in-shower shelf, which you can choose in matter of both personal taste and how intricate your niches is. Mosaic tile navigates the detailed shower shelves more easily than larger tiles, but the larger tile give a more streamlined look to the simpler tile shower niches. Multi-shower niches. Why have just one when you can have two or more? Having multiple shower niches allow more storage, and if you share a bathroom, each person can have their own shelf. Multiple shower niches positioned vertically can also solve the problem of having shelves at different heights for taller and shorter family members. Multi-height shower niches. You might want to think about niches that combine both vertical and horizontal design. This allows taller bottle to have plenty of heights, while smaller bottle and soaps can be placed on the smaller shelves. The best size for shower niches. A shower niches should be generally be no wider than the studs that frame the shower wall. Often studs for a shower wall are no wider than 16 inches apart. 12 inches wide is the perfect size for all your product. For height, you have fewer limitation. You can make your shower shelves as tall as you like. Add multiple shelves with tall niches or accommodate for taller items you would like to keep on the shelves. The tile shower shelves can be a challenge even for professional tile installer. That you can hire a qualified tile installer to do your entire shower. This will increase the waterproofness of your shower and ensure your niches look perfect. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you to choose the best bathroom wall niches design for your bathroom. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see a lot of more home related videos.